How to fix Insta360 X5 Wi-Fi not working. First of all, on your Insta360 X5 device, scroll down to your control panel. Then tap on gear icon. From here, go to Wi-Fi settings. Now turn on the toggle for Wi-Fi first. Now as you do so on your mobile device, scroll down to your control panel and make sure that the Wi-Fi is turned on. Then long press on Wi-Fi. From here, you will see your Insta360 X5 device name. Tap on it. Now, once you do so, open Insta360 application. Then first, make sure that the device has been connected to your mobile device first. Now, once the device has been connected, go to the category of Me. From here, you'll see device firmware info. Tap on it. Now, over here, in case if your device firmware is not updated, you'll see the option of update. In my case, it has already been updated, so you can see that this version is up to date. So you can update your device firmware in order to fix Insta360 X5 Wi-Fi not working. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.